Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom.
We are from Politek Negeri Bali. On this occasion, we are proud to present our innovative and creative poster, Siaga, the Smart Integrated Anti-Fraud Generation Approach. This project is our concrete contribution as accounting student to support accountable and sustainable financial management. We believe that a transparent and fraud-free governance is a key foundation for achieving Indonesia Mas 2045. As Indonesia continues its journey towards sustainable economic growth, it is committed to achieving its environmental, social, and governance goals and the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). However, the country faces a present tense challenge, particularly with a high rate of fraud or corruption, especially in the financial and fintech sector. According to the 2019 Indonesia Fraud Survey by ACFA Indonesia, there were 239 fraud cases, including 116 of corruption, 15 involving misuse of assets, and 22 cases of financial statement fraud. The fintech sector also faces alarming trends, with 13,229 complaints in 2020, 3,294 of which were fraud related. In 2021, 380 fintech fraud cases were reported, causing a loss of 58.6 billion rupiah. The total loss from the 239 cases recorded by ACFA amounted to 873.43 billion rupiah, with an average loss of 7.2 billion rupiah per case. This fraud not only result in financial damage but also affect company morale, employee trust, public reputation, and customer loyalty. Weak monitoring system and lack of transparency is a rapidly growing fintech sector. Exacerbate the problem. To address this, collaboration among the governments, regulators, industry players, and the public is essential to strengthen governance, improve the transparency, and create effective supervision system to reduce future fraud. Fraud generally occurs due to three main factors described in the fraud triangle popularized by Donald R. Tracy, which consists of opportunity, pressure, and rationalization. Many fraud cases arise due to weakness in internal control system, pressure from the performance target or economic condition, and a mindset that justifies a fraudulent action as something necessary or to be repeated later. It is a factor from the fundamental basis of why fraud can thrive even in environment that appears safe and professional. According to data from ACFA Indonesia, the most common type of fraud are conflict of interest and abuse of the position 3-4%, asset misappropriation 26%, falsified financial reporting 24%, and embezzlements or unauthorized fund distribution 21%. The sector most vulnerable to fraud are government institution 48.5%, followed by state-owned enterprise 31.5%, private companies 16.8%, and non-profit organization 2.9%. This figure refers the advice that fraud in cross-sectoral issue affecting various types of organization. To address this threat, a comprehensive strategy is needed to involving four key steps for prevention, detection, investigation, and follow-up, and monitoring and reporting. In the prevention stage, organizations should raise anti-fraud awareness among all employees, as prevention is the foundation for reducing fraud risk before it occurs. In the detection stage, organizations must have effective reporting methods such as a whistleblowing system, conduct suppressed audit, and set up adequate monitoring system. If fraud is detected, the next step is investigation, evaluation, and following up, which includes reporting the case in conduction through investigation and applying firm sentencing. Finally, in the monitoring and reporting stage, organization must ensure the investigation are objective and ongoing. This entire process is crucial because fraud stems not only from a system weakness but also from human factors such as pressure, opportunity, and rationalization, as explained in the fraud triangle. Therefore, prevention and early detection are far more effective than focusing only on action after fraud has occurred. In addition, the application of the three Hitakarana philosophy in building an anti-fraud culture is a strategic step toward creating a clean, honest, and sustainable financial system. The Hitakarana, which is the local wisdom of the Balinese people, teach about the three main elements that lead to a prosperity, a humanitarian relationship between humans and God, like perayaan among fellow humans, pawongan, and with the environment's palemahan.
Several countries, including Morocco and Indonesia, are adopting open government system to enhance transparency and accountability. Morocco has focused on reforms since 2011, while Indonesia has implemented the Village Financial System or SISCADES to improve regional financial management. Despite their efforts, challenges remain, especially limited access for information, uneven digital infrastructure, and the slow adoption of technology. The two main issues of the lack of the real-time financial monitoring, which leave room for fraudulent activities, and the minimal integration of local cultural values in financial innovation. As a solution, we introduced Siaga, Smart Integrated Anti-Fraud Generation Approach, a next-generation platform designed to revolutionize a financial transparency in a digital era. Built on cloud computing, blockchain, and artificial intelligence, Siaga enables real-time, secure, and publicly accessible monitoring of financial transactions across government, cooperative, and financial institutions. But Siaga is more than just a technological innovation. It's a movement rooted in Tri Takarana philosophy, which emphasizes harmony between people, nature, and spiritually. Siaga bridges integrity, social impact, and environmental responsibility to help build a fair and sustainable financial future for Indonesia. The Siaga application consists of 4 main pages, each serving a specific purpose. The first is homepage, and this page provided a general introduction to the Siaga application, explaining its purpose, how the values of Tri Takarana are integrated, and showcasing the creative feature available in the platform. The second is a governance dashboard. This page allows users to search for government, project, or developments, whether ongoing or complicated. And the third is public portal. Similar to the governance dashboard, but focused on the companies, user can research for companies and access a general company's information. The fourth is more information. This page offers education modules and fraud and corruption prevention, as user can also read related news article, helping raise a public awareness and knowledge on this issue. Siaga integrated several smart features based on Tri Takarana philosophy, emphasizing harmony with a good is a Parahyangan, with others is Pawongan, and with natural is Palemahan, as well as a digital audit system that feature as spread across for governance dashboard. The first is OpenTrap. Transparency and reporting are public access, reflection of Parahyangan values or spiritual integrity. This feature is ensure a transparent access to key financial and project data while keeping sensitive information protection. The components on OpenTrap is number 1, development manager, development project list, project budget, realization report, accountability report, and then additional information. The second is the fraud or fraud risk assessment and detection in IT. Its implementation Pawongan values human to human ethics. This feature enables early detection and reporting of budget or project related fraud. The tools on fraudit is number one is irregularity pattern detection, whistleblower report summary, and anomaly headback dashboard. And the third is eco-balance. Eco-balance or economic and environmental balance for sustainability embodies Palemahan values, harmony with a natural. This feature tracks environmental responsibility in development project. The tools in eco-balance is number 1, environmental impact report. Number 2 is green budget allocation. Number 3 is carbon and energy dashboard. And number 4 is eco-realization report. And the last is audit chains. Audit chain is regulatory and control audit trail, although not directly tied to Tri Takarana. This feature is essential for accountability. It stores and tracks all regulation, contract, and audit document for public access. In audit chains, a tool is audit trail storage and delete document archive. Well, that was the explanation about our poster. Thank you for your attention. Para Santi, Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam and see you next time.